So I met Bart 7 years ago. I had first moved to LA and it was my first job bartending. And he was transitioning from a table service attendant to being a manager and on his way out of the venue as I was starting. So we only saw each other, I think, 1 day a week for the first year that we knew each other.
When I left that job and went to another job working with a different company, Houston Hospitality, Emily used to come in there and frequent the bar and would hang out and get some drinks. Finally one night, she basically came up to me, she's like, so? I was like, so? She's like, so you're not my boss anymore? And I was like, yeah, and? She's like, oh my God, Bart, you're so infuriating, you're gonna make me say it? And I was like, say what? It was right over my head. I was like, I have no idea what you're alluding to. She was just like, well, why do you think I come here all the time? I was like, I don't know, because it's a cool bar and you get free drinks. Like,
I asked Bart out because we were no longer working at the same company.
She's like, will you go out with me? And I was like, wait, hold up, wait a minute, that's why you're coming here?
I said, because I like you and I know who you are and I know that I can get under your skin when you're kind of in a funky mood and make you laugh.
She would always come into the office and say something that was cute or a little funny joke or whatever. And what I loved about it is she would come in and say something cute and just immediately leave, not even wondering if I'm laughing or how the joke landed or if I'm responding to it. It wasn't about her being edified from it. She was coming in from her standpoint of just, trying to brighten up my day. And she was able to successfully do that.
I think I knew that I loved him before we even started dating because it was just so easy to be around him and I felt like I understood him on a deeper level.
As the story goes on, Beauty and the Beast, what happens when the beauty falls in love with the beast then transforms into a handsome gentleman. So then obviously today, being the day that we do our nuptials, I think it's fitting that if I try to transform a little bit and get rid of the beast aspect and shave the beard off. So that's what I'm gonna do. To get married. Yeah. And listen to the music of the wind. Oh yeah. Present for you. Perfect, right?
Perfect. We got some tidying up to do.
Okay, I'll go inside and do the tidying in the bathroom. I can see a little bit up there.
Today, it is our pleasure to gather together to witness and celebrate the commitment of love between Bart and Emily. The symbolic vows that you're about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know all those things we promised and hoped and dreamed? Well, I meant it all, every word. Look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another: acquaintance, friend, companion, lover, dancing partner, and even teacher. For you have learned much from one another in these last few years. Now you shall say a few words that'll take you across the threshold of life, and things will never quite be the same between you. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, this is my husband, and this is my wife.
I love you unconditionally.
I vow to love, encourage, trust, and respect you.
As a family, we will create a home.
Filled with learning, laughter, and compassion.
I promise to always work with you,
To foster a relationship of equality
knowing that together we shall build a life.
far better than either one of us could imagine alone.
Today, I choose you to be my wife.
Today, I choose you to be my husband,
I accept you and love you as you are.
and I offer myself in return
I will care for you
and share with you all of life's adversities
and all of its joys from this day forward.
and all the days of my life.
With this ring,
I declare to you
all my love and devotion,
It's my honor as a minister and a friend to pronounce you husband and wife. Bart, Emily, you may now have your first kiss as a married couple. Well, it is my great pleasure to announce to all of you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Klemmer.